Making Statergy, money-making rules. No one knows. You need to earn a certain amount of money to support a family and yourself, even though money may not be your main concern in life. Expenses for housing, food, clothes, entertainment, education, and other things mount up quickly. Your full-time job's pay is frequently insufficient to cover all of your family's expenses. These best money-making strategies will help you increase your income and enhance your quality of life, regardless of where you are in your job or how close you are to retirement. Number 10. Launch a supplementary enterprise. Starting your own business is one way to boost your revenue and make some additional money. It's crucial to keep in mind that starting and growing a new business might take time, so you shouldn't count on seeing a significant rise in revenue right away. Think about these concepts for launching a profitable company that you can work on during your free time. Eventually, you may be able to work from home as a business owner and replace your full-time employment with your side venture. Continue watching for some money-making ideas that I provided next in video, along with additional advice on launching your own company. Number 9. Request an increase. Another approach to earning extra money is to negotiate for a raise if your current work isn't giving you the income you need to meet your financial goals. If you're a valuable employee who has been with the company for a long time, your employer could occasionally agree to boost your compensation only because you asked for it. Arrange a meeting with your supervisor in advance of the negotiation, taking care to schedule it on a day and time when your employer isn't extremely busy or stressed. Plan a meeting as soon as you've completed a noteworthy task for the team or following a positive performance assessment, if at all possible. Compile evidence to back up your request for a raise and get ready to highlight your value to the business. To ensure that the compensation adjustment you propose is acceptable, research the going rate for your position, experience, and skill set. If there's room for negotiation, think about requesting a raise that exceeds your bottom line. Look for a better paying position in your field if your employer refuses to give you the increase you asked for. By applying for a promotion inside the same organization, you can also be able to get paid more. Number 8. Make a real estate investment. Purchasing real estate can be a terrific way to increase your net worth, even though it does take a long-term commitment and some market understanding. Investing in a rental property that pays you a monthly income is one option. Another is to buy a property that you can repair and resell for a profit. Additionally, some investors decide to buy properties they think will appreciate over time on their own. One typical method of making money in real estate is house flipping. It entails paying less for a house, making repairs, and then selling it for more money. Purchasing a home of your own is a real estate investment as well since, with time and with proper maintenance, the value of your home can increase. Alternatively, you can purchase a real estate investment trust, REIT, which lets you own real estate shares instead of the actual property. Number 7. Make stock market investments. Stock investing is a money-making approach that, with the right application and understanding, can be very profitable. But it's also critical to understand that there are hazards associated with making this kind of investment. You might lose a lot of money on stocks if you try to move too rapidly or make the wrong decisions. Because of this, if you decide to make stock market investments, you should understand what you're getting into. Do your homework on stocks. Or think about hiring a professional advisor who can help you reduce risks and increase returns. Number 6. Make do with less. The lack of a proper budget is the primary reason why many households spend more money each month than is necessary. Make a list of every expense you incur and cross out any unnecessary extras. Additionally, you can save money by perhaps reducing the amount of some of your payments or getting rid of any subscription bills that you don't use. For instance, you can discover that your auto insurance premium is excessive, or that your cell phone cost is significantly higher than it should be. Alternatively, you could terminate your inactive Netflix membership. Whatever it is, put that extra cash to better use by saving for the future or raising the standard of living for your family. For a week or two, keep a tab on your expenses to gain insight into your spending habits and areas for reduction. Number 5. Speak with a financial advisor. It might be difficult to improve your financial circumstances, particularly if you don't know where to begin. To find the best strategies to improve your circumstances and start earning and saving more money, a financial counselor may assist you in thoroughly examining your income, expenses, and assets. Your financial advisor can also assist you in determining whether pursuing more ambitious money-making techniques, like real estate investing or side gigs, is worth the time and effort. Number 4. Establish online programs. You may impart your knowledge to others because, while you may not know it, you are an expert in a certain area. A great technique to get passive income is by creating an online course. It is possible to invest one time and reap financial rewards repeatedly with passive income. You may invest 40 to 60 hours developing an online course, but once it's out to the public, you may sell an infinite number of copies for your one-time investment. Number 3. Make your website an affiliate marketing platform. Building your website and including connections to other goods and services is another method of making money online. If someone clicks on the affiliate links on your website, a business will pay you a commission for any sales, leads, downloads, or clicks. Making a website or blog on a subject you are interested in: business, technology, education, entertainment, money, and so forth, is the first step. A strategy for an email campaign can also be developed to directly engage your audience. Next, look for businesses that engage in affiliate marketing and belong to your niche. They will send you affiliate links to add to your website or campaigns once you partner with them, which is usually free. Creating high-quality articles and other content that readers would want to visit your website for, or take immediate action on, is a crucial part of making money online with affiliate marketing. After that, you should concentrate on providing value with your affiliate links rather than pushing products. Number 2. Watching videos. When you have free time, you can start earning money online by watching movies. This can be an enjoyable way to supplement your household income with a little additional cash or gift cards. Many websites pay users to view videos on their tablets, PCs, or cell phones. Search for online reward sites that have received great reviews from rating services like Trustpilot or the Better Business Bureau. MyPoints, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars are a few to check into. These websites collaborate with businesses that offer you money to see video advertisements for their goods or services. A lot of them also provide other methods to earn extra money online, such as playing games, doing surveys, shopping online, doing web searches, or joining up for services. Number 1. Use survey websites to make online cash. Completing surveys during your leisure time is another way to earn money online, just like getting paid to watch films. Many businesses and organizations may pay you for your opinion or other useful information because they are interested in finding out how to better serve their customers or reach their target audience. You might make extra money working with reputable survey companies, which usually adds up to a few hundred to several $1,000s every month. Your earning potential from taking surveys is contingent upon your available time and the websites you visit. While it's not the highest paying job, conducting online surveys may be a fun way to add extra money to your bank account while you're waiting in line, lounging around, or on your way to work. Make sure to search for trustworthy survey websites. Typically, you will complete an information form so that your demographics and interests are known to the website, after which you can start conducting free surveys. You can exchange your points for cash or gift cards as you complete online surveys. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.